This is the MUNBYN Bluetooth thermal label printer. Perfect for 4x6 shipping labels. Look at that. The company sent me this product to make a video for it. Let's do it. It came packed up great and arrived safely, and you can see me unboxing it over here. Inside the package, you are going to get the unit itself, the power supply, which actually comes in two different sections here. You've got a 2-prong cable that's about 2 foot long that plugs into the back of this power supply here. And then you've got about 3 foot of cable here, which plugs into the back of the machine right here. So altogether, you have about 6 foot of cable to play with, which is perfect for a desk. Like I have it here. You get a Bluetooth receiver right here because you can use this via Bluetooth or plugged into the computer, however you want to do it. You get a quick start guide here that walks you through setting it up. You've got various different apps you can download in the iOS store or the Google store for Mac, for Windows. And this gets you all there and shows you how to set it up wirelessly and so forth. And this is the user manual, all kinds of great info in here on setting it up, everything you need to know about the machine, and there's some links to different things you can use with the machine, which I'll talk about later. You get a little, looks like maybe 20 labels or so right here, 4x6 labels. You get a Type-C to Type-C cable. It's about 3 foot long because if you're going to plug this into a computer, you're going to need this Type-C cable. Let's go over the unit real quick. You can see it's got 4 rubber feet on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it scuffing up a desk. It is about 7 inches long by about 3.5 inches wide and maybe 4 inches tall. It has little heft to it, but it is relatively lightweight. According to the company, it's compatible with Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and it has a print width of 1.57 inches to 4.25 inches. On the back of the unit is a power button, so once you've got it all plugged in, you just press the power button, and you can see this light turns red. That light is turning red because there's no paper loaded into it right now. So when I plug this into my PC, it immediately recognized it as the RW403B, and there was a link that took me to the driver download, which is right here. And as you can see, all I did was hit the download Windows driver model for the 403B printer, and it downloaded it, and I ran it, and it walked me through it. They have a help center here, so if you've got any issues, you can look it up on here. They also have this MUNBYN template library, man, which is pretty awesome. They've got all kinds of stuff. I'm sure we're all used to doing different things that you can, customizable templates. They've got it all in here. Like I said before, it's got the rubber feet at the bottom, so it's no problem at all to leave it right on a desktop. But if you wanted to, you could use something like this. This is the MUNBYN label holder. You set your printer on top and the label's underneath. It's got a little spool on here, but anyway, I'll just do this on the table so you can see it better. They say they can print up to 970,000 labels with a near zero jam rate, and that's a lot of labels. I don't know if I'll ever reach that number. On the side here's a little button. When you press that in, this lifts up. You can see the print head right here, and we've got the roller right here. Feeding the labels through is really super easy. You obviously want to make sure you have the right side facing up. And these things are adjustable right here. Actually, all the way out is perfectly lined up for a 4x6 label. And here's one of the coolest things about this as far as I'm concerned. This thing has auto calibration on it. You just load the label, close it, it looks at what it has, and automatically calibrates it. It's ready to go. You can see now the light has turned green because it recognizes that it has paper in it. The button on top does different things. You press it once, you can feed labels through if you wanted to. If you press and hold it until you hear beep, it recognizes the labels and recalibrates it back into position, which is super cool. If you double click it and then press and hold it, it'll print a test sheet out. Let's try that. See right there? And as you can tell, it's very fast and a very quiet machine. So there you go. A thermal printer like this is absolutely perfect for shipping labels. It's perfect for smaller labels, circular labels, all kinds of stuff. And with their editor site and their customizable templates, you can do almost anything you can think of for the home or the office. Very nice. I'm really happy with this.